The Locked Attic. Part 1. The Strange Noise. She moved into the old Victorian house thinking it was empty, until the scratching started in the attic. Every night the sound grew louder. Nails dragging across wood, faint whispers just at the edge of hearing. She tried to ignore it, telling herself it was just the house settling, but curiosity gnawed at her. Tonight, she decided to face it. Flashlight in hand, she climbed the creaky stairs, each step groaning under her weight. Her breath quickened with every floorboard. As she reached the attic door, the scratching stopped, and a soft, chilling whisper said her name. She froze, unsure if it was her imagination or something else.